taking a look back at the crypto market, this is what we're watching. Exchanges kind of give you the idea that assets are running out of the exchange, which shows you people are holding for longer. And this is for Ether and Bitcoin, which generally shows you something. Now, in yesterday's video, we discussed about this from the German government buying back. However, it now seems like there has been a confusion. They didn't buy it back. Rather, not all their sell orders were filled, so it came back into the market and then to their wallet. That was not a buy. So now clarity is coming on that, but what matters here is some of these liquidity which the market is expecting. And that can bring in positive momentum along with the news, the narrative, and the fiat itself getting ruined. But now what matters for us is what the price action is showing. News, yeah, we understand that. What is the market looking for? Especially when you look at XRP, what is it trying to do on the short term? And how does that reflect on a medium to long term pattern? Whether that's for XRP, whether that's for Ether. Let's break that down quickly and wrap this up. Welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. If you're looking at XRP, zooming in, say a 4-hour chart, we're kind of waiting to see if we can manage this structure here as a higher low and bounce off to test 0.5. For a long period of time, 0.5 range has been a support. Now it's a resistance. But then you look back like a year and a half, and you see the RSI on a 3-day chart is the lowest after 2022 May, June. So that shows you something. Last time when RSI was there, we bottomed here. Can we do something similar? And that time, RSI reached there after a capitulation, which was obviously the terror from the Luna, which pushed the price down. However, now it's the micro news cycle, which is smaller compared to Luna, which has pushed the price to this point. So based on the RSI side of things, if you zoom out, you rarely see this. So in 2020, we saw that as a bottom. 2022, we saw that again as a bottom. So can we do something like that in here? And while you look at that, say once we saw that reaching there, the price was still choppy for some time. A month and a half, it was still choppy. So you zoom a little bit out, you go on the weekly to see, okay, what was the exact bottom? For that, if you compare where we are now to that historical level, we reached that position. Whether that's 2020, we're getting very close to the 2022 scenario. So keep your eyes on that RSI. This is going to guide you. So XRP, that's the story. Now you look at Ether. You bring in the RSI. You go on a 3-day chart. You're watching, okay, the local trend line supports. That's what matter now. You're looking at the daily to see where we entered this territory last time, which was like, August last year. Now we are there. So Ether is clearly trending higher, showing you a macro structure which is going up. There is no doubt in that. However, the mid-term correction is what matters. So this trend line right now is holding. The pattern which the RSI is developing on a 3-day chart for Ether is looking like this, which we call as a falling wedge, which breaks to the upside like 63-65% of the times. So keep your eyes focused on that when we get the weekly candle close here. As we get that, if we do manage to have a little bit of bounce and form hidden bullish divergence, crypto is going to turn around. But if we don't and we break this key level, Now watch for like 2100, 2200, which would be the historical level of support here. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be traveling today, so I'm going to wrap the video up here. And if you appreciate this video, smash that like button for me. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Bye for now.